Which place is known as Cherrapunji of South India? Answer option C, Agumbe. Who was the first finance minister of India? Answer option B, R.K. Shanmugam Chetty. Which is the oldest national park of India? Answer option A, Jim Corbett National Park. Which house of the parliament is a permanent body? Answer option B, Rajya Sabha. The largest oil refinery in the world is in which state of India? Answer option B, Gujarat. Who is known as the father of Indian cinema? Answer option A, Dada Saheb Phalke. The national motto of India, Satyamev Jayate, has been taken from which text? Answer option A, Mundak Upanishad. Bengal tiger was adopted as the national animal in which year? Answer option A, 1973. The famous tourist place Ooty is located in which state of India? Answer option C, Tamil Nadu. Who constructed the Red Fort at Delhi? Answer option C, Shah Jahan. Which river is also called Dakshin Ganga? Answer option A, Godavari. Which Prime Minister of India wrote The Discovery of India? Answer option B, Jawaharlal Nehru. How many classical languages are there in India? Answer option B, 11. The Supreme Court of India is located in which city? Answer option B, New Delhi. Who was the first woman chief minister in India? Answer option A, Sucheta Kriplani. Which Indian city is called the Manchester of India? Answer option B, Ahmedabad. Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? Answer option A, Bachendri Pal. India is not part of which organization? Answer option D, NATO. What is the scientific name of the Indian national fruit, mango? Answer option A, Mangifera indica. Which is the largest union territory of India? Answer option C, Ladakh. The bullet train project in India is being helped by which country? Answer option B, Japan. Who was the founder of the Mughal Empire in India? Answer option C, Babur. What was the name of the first Indian satellite? Answer option B, Aryabhat. How many scheduled languages are there in India? Answer option D, 22. Indian Military Academy is located in which state of India? Answer option D, Uttarakhand. Which is the hardest part of the human body? Answer option B, tooth enamel. Who was the first person to get the Dada Saheb Phalke Award? Answer option B, Devika Rani. Who designed the Indian tricolor? Answer option A, Pingali Venkaiah. Which is the longest dam in India? Answer option A, Hirakud Dam. Patliputra was the ancient name of which Indian city? Answer option B, Patna. In which state of India does the sun rise first? Answer option A, Arunachal Pradesh. How many IITs are there in India? Answer option C, 23. The world's highest railway bridge has been constructed on which river? Answer option B, Chenab. Who was the first Indian to pass ICS? Answer option B, Satyendranath Tagore. Which is the highest gallantry award in India? Answer option C, Paramveer Chakra. Jharkhand state was carved out of which state? Answer option B, Bihar. Who is the Supreme Commander of Armed Forces in India? Answer option C, President. Gateway of India is situated in which city of India? Answer option D, Mumbai. Which dynasty's rule in ancient India was called as Golden Period? Answer option B, Gupta. Where was TV played for the first time in India? Answer option B, Delhi. Chetak horse belonged to which great warrior? Answer option C, Maharana Pratap. Who was the founder of Delhi Sultanate? Answer option A, Qutbuddin Aibak. Who was the first Indian to reach North Pole? Answer option C, Ajit Bajaj. When was State Bank of India set up? Answer option C, 1955. India won the One Day Cricket World Cup for the first time in which year? Answer option B, 1983. Madhubani painting is related to which state of India? Answer option B, Bihar. What is the minimum age to become a member of Lok Sabha? Answer option C, 25 years. Who was the first Indian to climb Mount Everest twice? Answer option C, Santosh Yadav. Who were the first Europeans to come to India? Answer option D, Portuguese. What is the capital of Himachal Pradesh? Answer option C, Shimla. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy watching this content, please subscribe to GK Sprint for more such videos.